So I thought I would do an unboxing of the Saberforge Scratch and Dent sale, one of their boxes. I know it's too late for people to order them, but I thought you'd be curious. I know I would be, even if I didn't buy the stuff. And I'm really curious to see what other people got too. Now I had to do 2 orders because when I originally placed my order, I was doing some parts and some whole Sabers, but the whole Sabers sold out while it was in my checkout and I was on the way to put my information in. So I did a second order later in the day when they restocked, and I actually got some whole Sabers then. And the whole Sabers are what showed up so far. It's only 5 pounds. And the parts will be in a couple more days, which is kind of ironic since I ordered them first. But without further ado, let's open her up. And I am, of course, in pajamas today because it is Saturday. And I am lazy. One big bag. Okay, I got more Sabers than I actually expected to get. Not that I'm going to complain about that. Okay, so this one obviously has some actual scratches and dents, but I'm pretty happy with it. A little bit of cleanup I can do on that. My thought was with these to make some good battle damage Sabers. Sorry, I'll give you guys a better view of it. Not too shabby. Wow. Excellent. This one's in really pretty good shape. I mean, it's got some, you can see some damage there, a little bit here and there, but honestly, after a couple days of fighting with these, my local fencing group or TSL tournament, they're gonna end up pretty jacked up anyway, pretty dinged up. Another thin neck. This one's in rougher shape, but again, for the price, I really can't argue with it. So for anyone that doesn't know, it was 5 pound lots, and it was, for the whole Sabers, was $50 for 5 pounds. This one's an older one, pretty dinged up. This is interesting. It's got where the button and charge port placement are. I've never seen this one. I don't know, it might have been something they were trying, or it's unique, I'll give it that. I can make a beater Saber out of it though for it. I see something in there that looks like it might be very exciting for me, but I'll get there eventually. So what's cool is I got a couple of these emitters that are the same and some grenade bodies. These aren't technically ASP, but I can really, you know, I can mix and match with these too. Maybe make a couple of dual wield setups. I really like this one actually. This one is a good offhand size. That's nice. I apologize that I don't know all of the names of all the Saberforge Sabers. There are a lot of them, and some of these are discontinued, or, you know, never actually, I've never seen on the site anyway. This is actually, would make a really good light offhand Saber. I think I might do that with this one. Ooh, that feels nice. I know this is supposed to have a leather wrap here, but even without, it's a good whippy fast. So the shiny portion of this is barely dinged up at all. Some greeblies there. This portion is a little jacked up, but some leather wrap. This would be a pretty solid Saber too. Looks like the black and chrome version of that one. So technically, you know, a little fire nice setup there. And finally, this one looks like the one I was originally hoping. Well, it's not exactly what I thought it was. I thought it was going to be a Qui-Gon. It's not, but it's really reminiscent. Or it was going to be, maybe. He changed it. So this shroud is not actually attached. But, oh, see, there's a hole there. So I can screw that in with a either a screw or use a CoverTech wheel. I'm actually pretty excited about this now because I love the look of the ribbed portion with the shroud. So that's pretty good. I can clean that up a little bit too. This one's going to be a good saber too. I like that one. All right, well, there you have it. So the shipping was pretty expensive on these, I'm not going to lie. But all in all, super great deal. And I'm really excited about a couple of these. I really like the look of this one, actually. And I can't wait to see what I get with the parts. They even said that there could be LED modules, things like that. I mean, it all really depends on how lucky you get. But all in all, pretty good haul for 50 plus shipping. And again, the shipping was pretty expensive, but definitely a worthwhile investment. There you go. Thanks for watching.